Hey guys, welcome back to TechTotalTools. My name is Rambabu. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you. Without delay, we start the session. In this video session, I will explain how to set up Ansible AWS Dynamic Inventory step by step. These are all the steps. Prerequisites is install configure AWS-CLI or to set environment variables, secret key and access key. Otherwise, this is the second step. Ansible Dynamic Inventory files are downloaded. Given links are here. These are Dynamic Inventory files downloaded links. So first we download the one. Here, this one. CC. Go to that folder. I can download here. Duplicate. Yes. Ls. This ec2.py file downloaded. Next, INF file also required. These two files are required. Yes, INF files also downloaded. Next step, go to this one. Next step, go to set the execute permissions of both files and test the download ec2.py file. chmod -x plus x ec2.py. Yes, ls -l show the permissions, execute permissions. Without execute permissions, Python file won't execute. Next, these are the list. We can check it. List ec2.py list dot slash ec2.py list. We can open list. Actually, it will take some time by waiting. Actually, refresh is required. Just now install that one. I can check it. There is no hosts available, I think. chmod plus x inf also we can give the execute permissions. Right, ec2.inf file. I can change that regions. Why? Because regions use all default, they provide all regions, but all regions it will take more time. It will searching all regions, so that's why we can configure only our region, our requirement region. You can configure it. Yes, west 2. Only this region it will check. Actually, elastic cache is not required. False that command is not required. We will configure another Ansible user and Ansible SSH private key file. In the last line, I can add Ansible user Ubuntu. You can override the username. We can execute that directly command line. We can give the username also. -u username. Code /home. This is my key file path, PEM file path. And the configuration is but no, we test the ping command. Sorry, proper command is pivot. Yeah, pivot space was name is to have a name. Yes, Ubuntu. It was not already. Why? Because there is no hosts. Hosts are not available in that. Actually, a refresh is required. That yes, it would have Wi-Fi. Ansible configuration file also required. Copy Ansible.c configuration file, current folder. Now I can edit that one. Go to edit. Again, not sure. This is inventory path. Set the inventory path. Actually, previously I configured these settings. Now I can change this. Can change current folder path. AWS CC deployment CC. Again, CC folder is added. That one. Go to inventory. cc/ac2.py. This is also required actually. Private key file home ram.sh. Temp file also copied in the .sh folder. Host key checking is false. It is required. Why? Because it will ask everything every time yes or no. Yeah, we can check it. That no files is not showing any files. There is no instance is available. Install that one. I will create instance. Configure instance. This is subnet. You can select subnet. Add tags. Add tag. Add the tag. And tags are very important in real-time environment and test environment. Real-time tags are very important to filter the instance and everything. Kubernetes and Docker and everything. Tags are very important. Yes, I launched the instance. Now it is pending status. Now I will again check it. Check the list, the same status. I want to refresh that one. This is not command. It shows the exit command. .ec2.py -f1 refresh cache. It display all the groups and tags. Yeah, these are grouping. EC2. These are instance grouping and tagging grouping, key pair and everything. This is the IP address. Show this IP address. Now you can execute that command. Ansible F9 inventory file, group name city group instance, all instance, m ping u username Ubuntu. Override this Ubuntu username. This is a header command, that's why only I given that username. Otherwise playbook not required. Actually already configured that username in INA file. Now it is getting error. What is the error? Actually Python is was not installed in that instance. Python is required to communicate the Ansible server to client machine. Client machine must and should install Python. So already have the one playbook. That playbook raw module, I configured that raw module, install Python using raw module. I want to, this is host name is EC2, hosts are EC2, Ubuntu username sudo. This playbook, I used this playbook in raw module. I don't want to nginx and trolls. Delete that one. Vi, yes, I can delete that one. Sorry. Now run that playbook directly. Python install.yaml. In this playbook I used raw module only, without Python executing commands. Next session I will give the playbooks, how to run the playbooks without Python using raw module and using tags also. Now again we will check it. Ping response. I think now it is ping pong is coming successful. Yes, ping pong. This is the raw module. Without raw module we can't install anything. Without Python, without raw module, we will not execute any commands. Okay, thank you for watching this video. These are all installing steps, inventory setup steps. Ubuntu, these are all settings. Ansible.c/5. This is settings. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much.